This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Quantum RW28 is a Class C RV. It is located in Mesquite, Texas, 75150 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Dallas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Quantum RW28 is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.